Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to integrate Clickup with Slack. So you can create tasks, get notifications, and stay updated right inside Slack. It's pretty easy to set up, and yeah, I'll walk you through each step. So, first thing, open your Clickup workspace and head into your settings. On the left-hand side, look for the section called Apps or Integrations. This is where all the external connection options live. Next, scroll through the integration options until you see Slack. You can also, type it in the search bar at the top. When Slack pops up, click on it to open the setup screen. Now click the button that says Connect Slack. A Slack authorization window will appear. Choose your workspace, then hit Allow. This gives ClickUp permission to send updates and create tasks from Slack. After connecting, you'll see a few options you can toggle. You can let ClickUp send notifications to a channel, allow the / command to create tasks, or enable message actions. Pick whatever fits the way you work. It's all customizable. Now open Slack. Go to the channel where you want ClickUp notifications, use the / command / ClickUp settings, or open the integrations panel and add ClickUp. From here, you can pick which lists or spaces send updates into that channel. To test everything, click on any message in Slack and choose Create ClickUp Task. Add the title, pick a list, set a due date, and save it. The task will appear instantly in your ClickUp workspace. Super handy, honestly. And that's it. Your Slack and ClickUp integration is all set. Now you can stay synced across both tools without switching windows. If this helped, feel free to check out more of my ClickUp tutorials.